In this video, we create a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile along a defined path. First, we create a new plane for the 2D profile. Next, we draw the 2D profile. Right-click to open the menu, then enter the dimensions of the rectangle. Now we create a new 2D plane for the path of the curved shape. Open the sweep function and select Create a new standalone part. Under Section, we select the 2D profile. Under Path, we select the guide 2D curve. Next, we open Paraflex and assign a material to the part. The dimensions are transferred from IronCAD. If needed, we can add some extra material allowance.